Hi, um, I'm Alex from Quebec, and this is a Honda xr80r 1990. My question is, I remove this, I select this bolt, sorry, remove screw about tensioner, this, and now I want to remove this timing chain, cause the the spark plug wasn't screw. The fillet was crap, and I need to remove the head to remake taper. Now I want to remove the timing chain. How I can do this? Probably remove two screw by turning this and remove two screw, remove the plate, put a screwdriver to not lose the chain, and remove camshaft after all block, I think, after remove this. Thanks.